Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is my CVS haul for this week. If you want to see how I picked up all of these items, keep on watching. Okay guys, so we are going to start with the Baboo. It's the same deal we've been doing for the entire month. And I don't know why CVS keeps giving me these buy two, get one free, and it's buy one, get one free. I did this deal in Florida because in Georgia and Alabama, there is none. I cannot find that anywhere. So it's $10.99, buy one, get one free. I had a not a $2, I'm sorry, a buy two, get one free CRT, which took $10.99 off. I paid $10.99 and I got $6 back. Then I did the, let's see, which direction am I going? Okay, so the 360 Beauty, that was $2.99, and I had three, this right here, and I had three $1 off CRTs, making that free as well. So for my spend 30, get 10, I did the L'Oreal. So I did one of these L'Oreal and two of the Gain products. So that L'Oreal is $18.99. The Gain Flings are $4.94. I picked up two. So the total is going to be $30.86. I had a $3 manufacturer coupon for the L'Oreal, which was digital. I had a 6 off of the L'Oreal Age Perfect CRT. I had a 5 off of 15 L'Oreal. And I used two $3 paper coupons for the Gain products. So I paid $10.86, getting that $10 back, making the final cost just 86 cents. Now, this is going to be tracking for beauty as well because the L'Oreal tracks for beauty. I did that twice on both of my cards. Then I did the Colgate deal. Colgate is buy three, get $5 back. I picked up four at $4.59 and two at $4.99, bringing the total to $28.34. I had a 5 off of 3 digital coupon, a 3 off of 2, and another 3 off of 2, and I had a 5 off of 25 Colgate. So I paid $12.34, getting $10 back, making my final cost $2.34, but I have a $1 rebate, and I scanned my receipt and I got $5 back, making the final cost $2.66 moneymaker. So I got all of the Colgate for free and I make $2. Let's see. Now the Chic, my Glade candle is over here. So the Chic is spend $25, get a $10 extra care back. So I picked up one of the Chic Hydro Silk Perfect Trimmer. I was not sure if it was going to track, but it actually did, which was awesome. So I picked up one at $19.49 and one of the shave gel, the Edge, at $3.79, then the small one at $2.39. The total came to $26.17. I had two $5 off CRTs for the Hydro. I had a 5 off of 20 and a $1.50 off of 2 for the shave. So I had $16.50 in coupons. I paid $9.67, getting that $10 back, making them all free, and a 33-cent moneymaker. Now the Sundown right here. This is just something I like to take, my vitamins. So that's buy one, get one free. I picked up one at $13.79 and one at $11.79. I had a 5 off of 2 digital coupon, and I had a $2 off of the Sundown manufacturer coupon. So I paid $6.79 for both of these, which is not bad. Now, I'm looking at my list over here because it was horrible recording in store today. Like, it was horrible. The app was not working very well. The computer system wasn't working. It was all over the place. Okay, so the Paparazzi nail polish, they are 2 for $5. And I had a bunch of CRTs. I had $5 in CRTs. So I actually paid nothing for those. And I got $4 back on one of my accounts. The other one, I had 3 CRTs and I paid $2, getting that $4 back, making that also a moneymaker. So the gold bond, which is right here, the gold bond is spend $20, get $10 back. I picked up one at $12.79 and one at $7.29, bringing the total to $20.08. I had a 3 off of 1 digital coupon and a 150 off of 1 digital coupon. I paired that with the Cetaphil, picked up 2 of the wipes at $8.49 and 1 of the lotion at $9.79. I had a 5 off of 2 manufacturer coupon for the facial wipes, a $5 CRT for Cetaphil, and a $2 paper coupon for the lotion. The total for the Cetaphil is $26.77. The Nivea, I picked up, well, if you can find 2 at $5.99, that would be a great deal. So I picked up 1 at $5.99 and 1 at $8.79. And 1 of the body lotions at $7.99. So I handed over a paper coupon for the Nivea lotion, $3 off of 2. And I had a 2 off of 8 Nivea lotion, CRT. The body wash, $7.99. And there was a $2 digital. And I had a 2 off of 8 body wash CRT. So the Nivea is $22.77. I paired these all together because I had also the Olay. The Olay. I paired these together because there was my CRTs are $3.50 off of 15 lotion, 4 off of 20 hand and body lotion, 2 off of 8 Nivea, and 2 off of 8 Nivea. So the total for all of those are $69.62. So I had $33 in coupons, paying $36.62, getting back $22, and I got back $7.85 for my Ibotta. I'm also going to get back a $6 extra care back. Well, $9, but for these products only, a $6 extra care back, making the final cost just 77 cents for all of this Cetaphil, Gold Bond, and Nivea. 77 cents. Okay? So, what am I missing? Oh, the Nature Valley. The Nature Valley was with the L'Oreal. So, it's the Nature Valley, 2 of the Gain, and 1 of the L'Oreal. That made my $30. And so, the Olay is buy 1, get 1 half off. And when you buy 4, you get $10 back. So I picked up 4 at $7.59. The half off will be $3.79. So for 4 of them, it came to $22.77. I had a 2 off of 2 Olay manufacturer coupon and a 3 off of 18 body wash. So I paid $17.77, getting that $10 back, making the final cost just $7.77 for those. And the strawberry thing on the top right there, that was $3.19, and I had 3 $1 off CRTs for fruit snacks, fruit bars, that was just 19 cents. So everything here cost me a total of about $15. And then I'm gonna get back $3.69, I'm guessing either $9 or $12 in extra care bucks. Oh, before I do that, I messed up like really badly on these. Covergirl is spend $15, get $6 back. For some reason, I thought it was $12. And I also had a CRT for 3 off of 15. So I'm going to have to figure that out. I'll go back and like So I didn't even want to mention it, but it's spend 15, get $6 back. So this is everything I picked up. Like I said, I'm going to get back either $9 or $12 in extra care bucks. If I do, then my total is going to be just $3 for all of these items. So but it's still less than $10, and I cannot beat that. I got some really expensive stuff. So it's small, but it's mighty. For my other card, I have the same CRTs for the Colgate, so that will be free as well. I'm just waiting to see if the I bought a rebate resets, so I can do that deal again on my other card. Otherwise, I do it one time and it's still going to be a moneymaker. So this is everything I picked up. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Oh, hold on. One more. We are almost at nine. It's like 8 something. I am so excited. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos. Thank you for interacting with me. All the comments, all the likes, I appreciate it so much. Thank you so much. And I have a lot of inserts, so I'm probably be doing a giveaway soon. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.